Yes, so once the fast ferries have stopped, it's become easier to see dolphins within the area where the fast ferries used to travel. And not only are we seeing them more easily, we're also seeing them engage in behaviors that we didn't observe frequently before. So behaviors like feeding and behaviors like socializing, interacting with one another. This is a really rare and exciting opportunity to study a dolphin population that has been threatened with so many anthropogenic impacts. What happens when you take one of those out? And the fact that we've seen such a dramatic change, initially, still early days, from just one of those impacts going away is a really positive shift, hopefully. There's becoming less and less area for the dolphins to use in Hong Kong waters, so the idea that we've now identified a habitat that could then be reclaimed by them and could really use to support their population is a good one.
But tragically, over the last 10 to 15 years especially, the numbers of dolphins have been really seriously declining. So we estimate somewhere between 70, maybe 80% decline over the last 15 years. And that's really tragic. These are slow growing, slow breeding animals, so they need very careful management and so on. The Chinese white dolphins, they need to use acoustics, underwater acoustics, to hear their world. So they listen for mates, they listen for socialization, for feeding, for navigation, and so on. They do this all with acoustic signals. And when we have intense vessel traffic, and particularly the high-speed ferries, that's very disorienting and disturbing for the animals.